Alright, here again on the 70 Wildcat. So I came to you before showing you how to remove that rust. And I'm going to come in and show you what I use to get, to use the sandpaper and the scuff pad to get that that rust, the thicker rust off of there. That surface rust, it brought it down good, but this is the 108 treatment. Okay, I just wanted to break in here. I went out in the garage and got that metal prep. But that's what I use when I'm cleaning up the bad rusty panels there. I'm going to be trying to remove, well, I'm not going to be trying, I am going to be removing the rust, the surface rust off of here, and I'm going to go through this and show you how to do this here. But this is the way I do it. So like I say, I'm not going to edit this video because I actually want you to see that this really works. And it's actually cleaning and treating that metal all at the same time. Like I said, I go over to DA, get the majority of the biggest of the rust off. Then I can come through see that? Are you seeing that? That stuff is really coming off of there. And as you see, I got plastic on there. Make sure that this stuff, I don't think it harms the bumpers, but I don't want to find out. So I mask off the bumper and the grill area, so I'm not getting this metal treatment all on these you know, on the chrome here, because those bumpers are pretty decent. I'm not going to have them re-dip, so. See how that's coming clean? Alright, so this is how that hood ended up coming out. I still got to do that front, but I want to take this chrome off and those Buick, that Buick that's on the front of there. But this is the 70 Wildcat hood, and this is how it come out. Still, I'm going to treat it tonight and let it sit overnight. I still got a few spots that I can hit a little better. Some of this stuff is just deep, so I'm going to have to let that cure once it turns black like it already is. It's treated already, but I'll treat it again tonight. And then right before I get ready to hit it, when I treat it tonight, it's going to stop it from rusting anymore. It'll put a coat on it, and I'm not going to have it outside. So that's it. That's using that metal treatment. Come out pretty good, guys. If you like these videos, stay tuned, subscribe. All right, have a good day. 108 Metal conditioner.